One of the most satisfying things to do for yourself is learning something new. You stay disciplined, you begin new habits, you satisfy your curiosity, and you learn new skills. And autumn is the perfect time of the year to do so. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. Well, if you don't know me, my name is Carla. I'm an ex-primary teacher, now turned business student, and on this channel I talk about living a slow life abroad and everything that comes with it. Due to my background, it's not surprised that I'm talking about learning something new. Some of the things I've learned myself are languages, so like English, Dutch, Korean. I've also learned coding, front-end development, illustration, quite skilled with painting. I really like watercolor, content creation, everything that comes with it, from filming, editing, researching. I've also learned about sustainability. I'm really passionate about the discipline, business, obviously, marketing, and Notion is my favorite thing, as well as planning and organizing. So I'm quite skilled setting budgets and everything, because I also interested in finance, so I have very good understanding of finance. And since my teaching spirit remains, I thought it would be very nice for me to teach you how to create your personal curriculum. So let's talk about what is a personal curriculum. A personal curriculum is basically a self-designed learning plan. So this could be anything, literally anything. You could just be interested in learning how to code. It could also be something not so academic, like better technique for fitness, like weightlifting, yoga. It could be a specific topic like photography for wildlife, trying a new skill or learning a new language, really anything that sparks your curiosity or something that you've been thinking about learning to improve your career or your personal development. So as I am highly skilled in Notion, I have made a very nice Notion template that you can grab for free in the description box. So if you've been wanting to learn anything outside your 9 to 5, outside your university courses, this is the time. As I said before, it's autumn, we have 2 months left to go before the new year begins. It's perfect to set new habits. So I'm going to teach you step by step how to build your own personal curriculum. To begin with, you want to pick the right topics that you're going to learn. Don't choose more than 2. Depending on complexity, up to 3. So if you're choosing to learn something fitness related, I think this is low key. So you could implement another 2 topics on that. But if it's something that is really complex understanding, and so I would suggest to pick 2. If you're going to learn about advanced math, chemistry, physics, linguistics, or I don't know, something that is really draining in a way, then pick 2 topics maximum to learn. Ask yourself, what am I most interested in learning? Something for my personal development or something for my professional development? The next question that you want to ask yourself to pick the right topics that you're going to learn, or skills or whatever, is what topics am I naturally curious about? For me, for example, I'm a visual person, so anything that has to do with photography, video, content creation, that naturally is something that I'm drawn to. For you, it's maybe the opposite: words, writing, you name it. What is something that you keep saving or seeing in social media that you want to save for later because you're interested in learning eventually? For me right now, I have 3 things that I'm going to be learning, but I'm prioritizing 2 of them in this period. So I want to learn accounting. I have to learn accounting to pass my exam, so this is something I also have to do, but I need to set my own schedule and time, because it's just the exam that I have to pass, so I actually don't follow the course anymore. So I need to set up my own plan for studying, because the course was split in 2. I passed the practical, so now I don't really have to go to the lectures, so I need to catch up with everything from scratch, so I really need to do it by myself in order to pass the exam. On top of that, I'm also going to learn about digital marketing and affiliate marketing. It's highly connected to my current job as a digital marketing intern. I'm really interested in potentially growing my own business alongside a 9 to 5 in the upcoming years. So it's highly important for me to learn this new skill. So these are my 2 priorities, and then I am ongoingly learning Dutch, which I have a good basis, but I need to learn it deeper. So now that we have our main topics that we want to learn, we're gonna break them down into subtopics.
So now that you have selected your topics, you want to break them down into subtopics. How do you do that? As a teacher, what you do when you design a curriculum is set learning outcomes. What does this mean? If you're teaching a language, like Dutch, one of your learning outcomes for speaking, a language has usually 4 areas. So it has speaking, writing, listening, and reading. So one of your areas will be speaking, let's say. For every single area, you want to break them down into outcomes, learning outcomes. So what do you want to get out of speaking? It could be having a conversation, basic conversation in the supermarket. That could be it. For reading, I would like to read one children's book. For listening, I would like to be able to follow a TV show without subtitles. If you don't have the knowledge to proceed to break the topics into subtopics and learning outcomes, I am leaving here on the screen a good prompt for you to use on your learning language model of preference. It could be ChatGPT, it could be Perplexity, whatever you want. Use this prompt and voila. Next step is to choose your learning resources. How do you pick your learning tools? Like the textbooks for each subject, an online course, podcast, YouTube videos, books, physical books, ebooks, an article. The goal is not to consume everything, is to pick where the information that you need to gather, you can find it in the right way. So for example, if it's very technical, maybe for coding, maybe it makes sense to follow like a bootcamp, like a lot of great resources out there for free to follow a bootcamp, but maybe it's better than a YouTube video where it teaches you maybe like a very specific thing and you don't have like the overall process of following it. Maybe if you're learning about workout, maybe then YouTube is the perfect place to go. The next step is to set an assignment or project. Let me say it differently. Set assignments and projects. This is how the curriculum and the skills that you're gonna learn become real and you will actually grasp them and learn them for good. So how are you gonna apply all the knowledge? If you're learning painting, like watercolor, you want to learn all the techniques and you're going to be practicing those techniques with the goal, the learning outcome of going to the beach in Den Haag and you're going to make your first live watercolor painting. How cool is that? Projects are the to-go. If you're learning how to go, maybe you can make like the first thing that you learn is like how to make a clock app. It teaches you a lot, so like small little projects. With my digital affiliate marketing, how does that look like? I'm gonna create a few pins and I'm gonna get started in setting up all the websites so that I can have my brand set up with a few boards and pins on it that I can get started. I am giving myself 3 boards that I can get started with pins that I've created myself in it. And I'm gonna use Pinterest for this matter. That's my project, no more than 3 boards. Once I get that done, my project will be completed. Please use Notion in this whole process. Use it, it's wonderful. It's a great way to keep everything together and to keep you organized and to actually help you accomplish all your learning outcomes and satisfying your curiosity. It's a great way to also keep your resources in place and you have it completely for free in the description box, so go grab it. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe and leave me a comment. I would love to know what's one thing that you're learning this autumn for your personal curriculum. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.